welcome to Mr. Korea's Adventures. Today we're going to recover some bulldozers that my grandpa used when he was a little kid out to the Arizona Strip, and we're just got up this morning and fed our animals and got our work done so we can come out here and recover these bulldozers. We just went down to the gas station, got gas for the pony motor and diesel, and then got oil and some snacks, and now we're headed out, so come on for the ride.
Pony motor. We need to find a pony motor.
We made it. Here's the old dozer. Here's a pond.
Dad, we still have
This is where it's been sitting for probably 12 or 15 years.
Fan is busted up. That fan is bad. Your fan and your bulldozer is busted up. Dad,
Got gas.
someone take this out. What you
Daddy got gas.
Stupid slug guys. Stupid slug guys. Bolts are loose. Please.
Alright, so what we're trying to do here is we're trying to start the pony motor right there on the side to get the big motor to start.
Hey, Dad, come over
Do you
here.
think we're dead?
Dad, this is...
Yeah, we need to put
Dad, come over
jumpers
here.
on
Dad, come over here.
batteries.
Guys, see
Alright, hurry and start it. We're leaking pretty good. We're leaking pretty fast.
Here.
I'll be the driver today.
Hey, Dad, you have to come check over here.
So what I do is, because this battery is completely junk, I don't even know I guess you probably should have it straight up to there.
Get the starting fluid, good.
We're in the trees. We're not in the trees.
Can I jump in there? In the toolbox right there. We're trying to get the pony wash started. Now we gotta undo bolts so we can get to the carburetor.
Get that little wrench down underneath there for that drop.
What? It's a size 14! You go that way.
I think we wake the battery in our
Okay, this is my next best guess.
Dad, can we just go to our house now? Our house in your house. He actually did tell you that.
Now listen to me.
Hey, Dad.
Come on, man.
Three.
It's okay. It's fine. Just come on. Let's go shoot us a Tweety bird.
Alright, you ready?
Now try it again.
you doing? I'm trying to clean out the, there's like this little plug, I guess, in here for all the oil that's in here, and sometimes it gets water in there. So I'm gonna drain the water out. But I'm trying to get the plug end cleaned out so I can stick my, it's square, so I gotta stick that in there to get it undone. And it's kind of full of junk, so I gotta clean it out to get my end in there.
Who told you to do that?
Grandpa Arlen. He and me have been dreaming about starting this thing for years. Okay, so we undid these little plugs back here on the end of the tracks because my grandpa's been talking about it for years. He said when he got these, you have to undo the plugs because water gets in there, and undo it and the water will run out. So we went and we undid it, cleaned it all out, and we drained the water out and tightened it back up. Because he said if we didn't do that, it would wreck it real quick. So now that we got those drained, I think we're going to go try and start it. We'll see if it starts. We've been trying for a while, but I don't know. We'll hope and pray. So, Alright, so we couldn't end up getting it in gear. So we're going to have to come back with a bunch more oils. And then we went up to the ranch house and checked it out. Alright, here's my dad's old house. When he was like a little kid.
Can't remember where we hid the key.
You should call Grandma.
There we service out here.
One of their old trucks, and they're hauling wood. And then there's some corrals right down there. These
Why do you
work
need the
cows.
video? Why do
Matches. Cool matchboxes. Oh my word.
Skilled driver over the top of the
On our way to the next bulldozer.
around the edge of it. Action.
the same? Oh, it's different.
It's a matching one.
But look at that book tag.
Found it.
Found it.
Jump out, clown.
I don't want to. Who's that? Sabrina. Oh, oh, that's bad.
Number dose. Found it.
Is there an little bit more? Welcome to the board. A little bit more.
Exactly the same.
No, it's different. Because look at
This one has to push back.
Okay, so we put some buckets over the exhaust pipes so no water gets in there. So when we come back, so what we gotta do is we gotta go start the other one that we were at. Start it, we gotta walk it all the way up here, which is probably 3 or 4 miles.
Probably so.
And then we gotta bring it to the front of this. This is how they started it when they were using them. We gotta put it blade to blade. So the blade together, and then the one that started has gotta push it back, and some guy's gonna sit up there and pop it in reverse, and we'll push start it, and then we'll hopefully walk both of them clear back to the semi and the equipment trailer, load them both, bring them home. So should be, it's about to get dark, so we're gonna load up and head home so we don't get a flat tire in the dark, let's hope. And then we'll come back a different day when we have a semi and an equipment trailer. So we'll dump the rest of our fuel that we have in here so that we can come back with more fuel, because when we checked it just barely, it had only 15% in there. So we'll fill it up to as much as we got, and then we'll bring some more back probably. We'll top the oil off while we have it, let's hope, and we will put some other fluids that we have in it, whatever we got. And then we can bring back whatever else we need to get this one running and in shape. And we gotta do the same thing to this one as we did the other one, which is take out those caps at the bottom and drain all the water out of them so we don't wreck this one. Here, keep it open so we can cut on with a jug.
boy clean fuel. Keep it clean.
Buy clean fuel.
Buy clean fuel. get clean. The other bulldozer's nicer though.